Have you ever tried putting on your socks and shoes while standing on one foot? Sounds simple, right? Well, here's a reality check. This everyday task is actually known as the old man test, a powerful indicator of your physical fitness age. And here's the shocking part. Only 14% of people over 40 can do it without losing their balance. If you're struggling with this, it's more than just poor balance. It's a warning sign about your strength, stability, and how your body is aging. Ignore it now. In 10 years from today, you'll wish you had taken it seriously. But here's the thing, it's not too late to change that. The good news, you can start turning things around today. I'm about to show you 5 incredibly effective exercises that most people ignore, but could completely change how you age over the next decade. Whether your goal is to grow muscles, build strength, or simply feel and move better, these exercises are your ticket to a stronger, healthier future. Let's dive in. The Single Leg RDL is a hidden gem in the world of fitness that most people tend to overlook. But here's the thing, if you're serious about your training and want to build real strength, this move is essential. Not only does it challenge your balance, but also strengthens your hips and improves your ability to perform a hinge movement. This exercise is fantastic for athletes and gym enthusiasts looking to grow muscles, lose weight, and improve overall workout performance. Now, picture yourself simply using your own body weight, slowly hinging forward while extending one leg backward. It sounds simple, but the level of control required is amazing. And that's exactly what improves your coordination and enhances your gym performance over time. The benefits of the Single Leg RDL go far beyond just training your muscles. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your hamstrings, glutes, and stabilizing your core, all while enhancing your balance and control in impressive ways. Think of it as a secret weapon for building functional real-world strength that you can apply both in the gym and in everyday activities. Strengthening those stabilizer muscles improves everything from the simplest movements to more complex workout routines. Even without using weights, the effectiveness of this exercise in developing muscle and stability is remarkable. If your goal is to build muscles, increase strength, and improve body control, this exercise is an absolute must. So, how do you get started with the Single Leg RDL? Using only body weight. Simple. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, slowly hinge forward, letting your hands move toward the ground while extending one leg straight behind you. Keep a slight bend in the standing knee to help balance. Your goal is to complete 5 to 10 reps on each leg, focusing on perfecting the movement and maintaining control. When you're ready for a bigger challenge, that's when weights come into play. Adding dumbbells or even a barbell can intensify the exercise, requiring more strength and stability. But start by mastering the body weight movement, because that solid foundation is what truly makes the difference. The squat and reach is one of those underrated exercises that packs a punch when it comes to improving mobility and overall fitness. In a world where most people are chasing big muscles and impressive workout routines, flexibility and mobility often get left behind. But here's the truth. If you want to build muscles, effectively enhance your workout performance, and even lose weight, mobility is essential. This move involves a deep squat paired with a thoracic rotation that opens up your upper back. It's a dynamic stretch that works wonders for your shoulders, back, and adductors while prepping your body for heavier training sessions. The benefits of squat and reach go beyond just preparing you for a workout by improving thoracic rotation and hip mobility. This exercise helps prevent injuries and boost your ability to generate power during big lifts like squats and deadlifts. Think of it as laying the groundwork for a better training experience. Getting started with a squat and reach is simple. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, squat down deeply, and place one hand on the floor for support. With the other hand, reach toward the ceiling. While rotating your upper back, keep your core engaged and your gaze following your hand. Hold the position for at least 30 seconds, then switch sides. As you progress, aim to hold the position for up to 60 seconds on each side. This isn't just another fitness trick. It's a valuable addition to your training arsenal that will enhance your muscle building journey and improve your overall workout experience. The sumo stance is a powerful yet often overlooked exercise that can drastically improve your lower body strength and flexibility. Unlike standard squats or lunges, the sumo stance focuses on targeting your inner thighs, glutes, and lower back, all while promoting better thoracic extension. This move is particularly valuable for those who want to build muscles, effectively improve their training routines, and enhance their overall fitness. By adopting a wider stance and maintaining a strong posture, you can unlock new levels of muscle growth and stability that directly translate to better performance in the gym. The benefits of the sumo stance go far beyond just muscle building. This position is excellent for improving hip mobility and developing a strong base For heavier lift, the emphasis on the inner thighs and glutes makes it an ideal exercise for anyone looking to pump muscles, build muscles, or simply enhance their overall body strength if you're serious about improving your workout routine. And making real progress, adding the sumo stance to your training regimen is a smart move. Not only does it enhance your ability to generate power during exercises like deadlifts and squats, but it also helps prevent injuries by promoting balanced muscle development. Starting with the sumo stance is straightforward. Begin by standing with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, with your toes slightly pointed outward. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, keeping your chest up and your core engaged. There are two variations to try. The simpler one involves resting your elbows on your knees for support, while the advanced version requires keeping your arms extended overhead. Aim to hold a position for 30 seconds and progress to 60 seconds. As your strength and flexibility improve, mastering this stance will undoubtedly make a difference in your journey to grow muscles, enhance training, and achieve better fitness. The Superman exercise is one of those simple yet powerful moves that can make a big difference in your workout routine. While it might seem easy at first glance, it's a true strength builder for your back, glutes, and core. When you lie face down and simultaneously lift your arms and legs, you're not only enhancing your posterior strength, but also improving muscle coordination and stability, essential components for anyone looking to build muscles and boost their training performance. For those aiming for a balanced and functional physique, the Superman exercise is a must-have. The benefits of the Superman exercise go far beyond just strengthening your back and glutes. This exercise is excellent for improving posture, which is a common issue among people who spend long hours sitting or performing repetitive movements. By activating and strengthening your stabilizer muscles, you prepare your body for better performance in more intense exercises like deadlifts and squats. If your goal is to pump muscles, improve your workouts, and achieve a stronger, healthier body, getting started with the Superman exercise is straightforward. Lie face down on a mat with your arms extended forward and legs straight. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, keeping your core engaged and glutes squeezed. Hold the position for a few seconds, then slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per set, always focusing on control and stability throughout the movement. This exercise isn't just about building muscles, it's about developing a functional, balanced body. Let's wrap things up with movement that brings ease to the body and instant relief. The performance stretch. After all the focus on strength, balance, and control, this one gives your body the chance to let go of built-up tension. It may look simple, but it targets a key area most people overlook. The piriformis, a small muscle deep in your glutes that, when tight, can cause serious discomfort and even press on the sciatic nerve. If your goal is to grow muscles, stay strong, and move better for years to come, this stretch needs to be part of your routine. It helps release the hips, improve posture, and ease lower back tension, all without equipment or added strain. Best of all, you feel the results right away. Hip flexibility is directly tied to how freely you move, whether it's squatted with control, walking pain-free, or simply getting out of bed without stiffness. Including the performance stretch is a smart way to invest in your long-term mobility and fitness, because the more freedom you feel in your movement, the more motivated you'll be to keep training consistently. To perform the performance stretch, lie on your back with both knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left knee to form a figure 4 shape. Reach through your legs, grab your left thigh, and gently pull it toward your chest until you feel the stretch in your right glute. Hold for 30 seconds and gradually work up to 60. Then switch sides. It's simple, direct, and incredibly effective. Add this to your routine consistently, and 10 years from now, your hips, back, and knees will thank you. So there you have it, 5 exercises most people ignore, but can make all the difference in how you age over the next decade. The question is, are you going to take action or keep neglecting what truly matters? Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Don't leave your future to chance. Make it powerful. And if you want more tips like these, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep improving your health and fitness. For more fitness tips and powerful health insights, make sure to subscribe to Full Health.